My name is Jonathan Earl and I'm the Director and Lead Instructor, also known as the Bushcraft Man, and I've been an outdoor instructor since 2003. Back to Basics has a trusted reputation, delivering bushcraft, outdoor education and common sense. We teach safe, fun and educational activities, building on skills through activities including firelighting, foraging, axe throwing, air rifles, shelter building, water, knots, tree identification, first aid and much, much more. The benefits of outdoor education, in particular bushcraft, are immense. It can help develop confidence, nurture new skills, assist with well-being and helps your mental health. We bring a real passion to share knowledge, understanding and enable everyone to succeed. I have written activity outdoor learning books and achievement progress booklets that help students, teachers, SMT and stakeholders track and cross-reference academic progress. Therefore, we can link directly with the outcomes of Ofsted and are there to be partners in assisting you progressing your pupils. We run adult training courses, including school activity leader training for teachers and teaching assistants. These courses are CPD-accredited and with ongoing support allow the school staff to teach outdoor learning with confidence.